Hi everyone, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Andi in case you're new here, and today I brought you this gorgeous necklace and bracelet tutorial. I have also included an earring pattern which you can find from the description box, the link to this video, or also in the upper right corner I have also included the link to that. Today I am going to prepare a bracelet. However, the necklace is exactly the same, just a little bit longer. I'm going to give you guidance about both of them, how to prepare them. Also, don't forget to download my new free ebook about 7 crochet mistakes every beginner makes and how to fix them fast. And I have also included 3 beginner-friendly earrings you can make today. You can download them from the description box or in the comment section, also as well as from the community section. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials as well. And if you would like to support me with the yarn, you can do it in the Buy Me a Coffee webpage, which I placed the link below this video. So if you're ready, let's get started. For this project, we will need to have the following materials. We're going to use a size 2 cotton yarn. This is a scrap yarn. You really don't need to have a lot from that. This is from Trasfere Fiocco. I'm going to place the name and size on the screen. This is size 2, by the way. And we will use a 2.5mm crochet hook. We will need to have 2 wooden beads. These ones are 8mm each one of them. A yarn needle, a scissor, and a meter. We are going to start by making a slip knot, so have a look. We are going to insert our finger, rotate it, grab the longer yarn, and pull it out. Then we are going to insert the crochet hook and tighten. Now we are going to chain 35, so yarn over, pull over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 33, 34, and 35. Now just leave a little bit the loop out, okay? We're going to grab one of the wooden bead, insert on the crochet hook, grab the yarn and pull it through, just like this. Now have a look. You see here this nice V shape. We are going to turn it to the back. We have here in the center these loops, the one that is in the middle, okay? So now we're going to skip this one, the first one, and we are going to go straight away to the second. I'm going to show you exactly which one. This. Grab the yarn and we are going to make a slip stitch here, just like this. Now we are going to do with every middle stitch, this one, a slip stitch going down. So just grab this, grab the yarn and slip stitch. Next one, grab the yarn and slip stitch. Next one, grab the yarn and slip stitch. We're going to continue exactly this until the last chain, and I'm going to see you there. And we have the last one here, this one. And we just did all the way down, and now we're going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now here, have a look where we had the first stitch. We're inserting here the crochet hook, grab the yarn and make a slip stitch, then chain 2, 1, 2, turn around, and in this loop that we created we are going to make 5 times double crochets. So yarn over, insert it in this loop, grab the yarn over, pull over in 2 loops, then yarn over, pull over in the other 2. So this was 1, yarn over, this is 2, so yarn over, pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2, 3, 4, and one more time, yarn over and pull over in 2, yarn over, pull over in the other 2. So this was our first one. Now we're going to chain 5, yarn over, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now have a look. This beginning part is the one that looks more complicated, but it's actually very, very easy. So we are going, have a look here in this point, here in the middle, between the stitches, just like this. We are going to insert, wrap the yarn, and make a slip stitch. Chain 2, 1, 2, and now in this loop that we just created, return the work and make 5 times double crochets. So yarn over, insert, 1, yarn over, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And from now on, it's gonna be very, very easy. Okay, we're gonna chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now have a look, there is this point and this first one, the first chain here, basically on the top of this double crochet. We are going to insert the crochet hook and going to make a slip stitch. Chain 2, just created a new loop, turn the work around, 5 times double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Then we're going to chain 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now again we are going to repeat the same steps. So basically in this double crochet stop, we're going to insert the crochet hook, slip stitch, chain 2, 1, 2, turn it around, 5 times double crochet in the same loop, 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. So have a look how it looks like so far. But if you're making a necklace, you will need to reach 37 centimeters from this point till the end. So with these motifs, And in case you're doing a bracelet, you will need to do 16 centimeters. I'm doing right now the bracelet version. So 37 centimeters for necklace, 16 for bracelets, and I'm putting on the screen. So if you want, just make a screenshot, and I'm going to wait you when we are completed the length that we desire. I'm going to show you actually, but it's also good if you're looking at your wrist. Maybe you have a bigger wrist or a smaller wrist, so just make it accordingly. If I'm putting it around, this is exactly where it reaches, so this would be a perfect size for me. In case you need to do, you can do 1 or 2 extra. It depends also of the size of your wrist as well. So now we are going to chain 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 33, 34, and 35. Now pull out lightly this yarn, grab the wooden bead, insert it in the yarn and pull it through, just like this. Again, just the same way like we did in the other side, we turn this, and in the back we have these middle stitches. Okay, so we are going to leave the first one there, and we are going to the second one. Insert, grab the yarn over and make a slip stitch, just like this. And then we're going to do the same like we did in the other side. So we're going to grab always this middle chain and slip stitch all the way going down to the starting point of it. So 1 slip stitch in each of these middle stitch. Have a look, this is the last one here. And we have just arrived to this point. Now chain 1, leave some tail. You don't need a lot actually. Cut the yarn, pull out the yarn here, tighten, add the yarn needle, and we're going to make a couple of stitches to secure this. So I'm just going to insert it here. I don't want to interfere with the pattern. I want to make sure that it's nicely pretty. I'm just gonna make a couple of stitches here. I'm going to try to guide it in between so it won't be visible from either side. And once you're done with that, you can cut the excess yarn. You also have to do the same with this initial starter yarn, so you have to also stitch this one away. So our gorgeous bracelet and necklace is ready, and I have included also an earring. You can find it in the description box, the link to the tutorial. I hope that you're happy with the result. Please don't forget to tag me on my other social media platforms such as TikTok or Instagram. And don't forget to download my free ebook about the 7 crochet mistakes every beginner makes and how to fix them fast. I have also included 3 beginner-friendly earrings you can make today. And you can find the link to download them in the description box, as well as in the comment section and in the community section area. Don't forget to like and hype this video and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials as well. And I hope I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial as well. Take care and see you very soon. Bye bye.